And let's get you the story on the monster COVID surge. The COVID-19 situation continues to worsen every day and across different states in the country. The question that everybody asking at this point is, when is it going to be over? We all want to know answers to that only one question. When is all of this going to be finally over? The government's own internal assessment is indicating that the worst is still yet to come and that India's most populous states are going to be the worst hit. Sneha Mordani with the complete report.
1,19,000 cases every single day. That is the projection for the state of Uttar Pradesh by the end of April, for the 30th of April to be precise. So is India prepared for a massive COVID explosion? In the state of UP, the projection is that there is going to be a need for over 20,000 beds with oxygen support, and there is going to be a shortfall of over 16,000 beds. In the state, more than 3,588 ICU beds will be needed, but there's going to be a shortfall of over 3,081 beds. The need for ventilators is going to be 1,794, but there is going to be a shortfall of 1,538 ventilators. The country's most populated state, also with a healthcare system that leaves much to be desired, will be worst hit. The projection for a peak is of 5 lakh cases every single day by May, and this is expected to subside sometime in June.
The states of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are really in a difficult spot to cater to the surge in cases. The critical care needs to be strengthened in both state and district levels, and this is the time when the entire country has to come together in solidarity and support these states and the other states which require help. We need to fix the public health system by regrouping, refocusing and focusing all our energies in strengthening the critical care and save as many lives as possible.
Government sources say that in this meeting of the Prime Minister with the Chief Ministers, the big takeaway was that heavily populated states will face the biggest risks. Delhi may also see over 67,000 cases by the 30th of April. The projection is for a peak in mid-May with an acute shortage of oxygen beds and ICU beds. The presentation that was made in this important meeting highlighted the kind of gap in demand and supply when it comes to oxygen beds and ICU beds. And other states were also discussed. For example, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. All of these states will be facing acute shortage. Maharashtra is likely to see 1 lakh cases by the 30th of April. The centre has said that there should be a lockdown in the worst affected districts and infrastructure must be ramped up at a breakneck speed. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.